Hey there, my name is James with the Austin Nature and Science Center. I love being outside and learning about the world that's all around us.
I love taking in the beauty of nature, respecting wildlife, and taking on challenging adventures.
Together, let's see what we can learn today. Today, we're going to talk about renewable energy.
We use energy all the time to power homes, schools, businesses, and cars. Coal and oil are commonly used fossil fuels that provide energy. The burning of coal is commonly used to create energy, which is then converted into electricity. Petroleum oil is dug from underground, which is then converted to gasoline, which powers our cars. Fossil fuels such as coal and oil are limited resources, meaning they will run out eventually, and they create pollution in the air. Renewable energy doesn't run out, and it doesn't pollute our world either. Wind energy is one example of renewable energy. It involves converting the wind into electricity by using wind turbines. The wind rotates the blades of the wind turbine, which is connected to an electrical generator. The electrical generator converts the motion, or kinetic energy, of the spinning turbine into electricity. These turbines kind of look like giant fans, but instead of blowing air, they're pushed by the wind. Solar power is clean electricity created from sunlight or heat from the sun. Solar energy is primarily captured by solar, photovoltaic, or solar thermal systems. Photovoltaic panels get energy from light, while solar thermal panels take heat to make steam. Hydro systems convert the flow of water into electrical energy. Like wind turbines, hydro systems rely on turbines that are rotated by the flow of water. A generator converts the motion of the spinning turbine into electricity. Other examples of sources of renewable energy include wave energy, geothermal energy, and biofuels.
Remember those huge wind turbines that turn when the wind blows? Well, now we're going to make pinwheels, which are like much smaller turbines that turn when you blow into them.
For materials for your pinwheel, you will need a pinwheel outline, scissors, a straw, a push pin, and crayons, pencils, or markers to decorate. First, decorate the pinwheel outline however you would like. Next, cut along the solid lines. Be careful not to cut all the way across. Fold each of the pointy corners inward so that the black dots overlap in the center. Next, stick the pushpin through the black dots that are overlapping. Then stick the pushpin through the straw. Be careful with the pushpin as it is sharp.
I hope you enjoyed learning about renewable energy and getting to make your own pinwheel.